Hey my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nidhi. I bring every week makeup related videos, and if you're coming back, thank you for staying with me. Today's video is all about fall. I know this year fall is little late and my makeup tutorial is too early. I love the fall season the most because the colors we use for makeup are the most flattering for anybody who is of a brown skin tone. Dusky, orange, earthy, brown colors. Yes, these colors are actually most flattering on anybody who's of brown skin tone, and that's why I wanted to venture into a fall makeup video as early as possible. I couldn't control my excitement, and that's why I got this video. If you're interested to see how I created this look, keep on watching, and further ado, let's get started.
I'm using a facial oil from Pixie. This is rosehip oil. If during fall, winters, you're looking for affordable moisture which stays with you for hours and hours, you can go ahead, and I'm not crying, I'm telling you, you can go ahead and get this Pixie face oil. This is an ultimate good supplement to your skin for moisturization. I'm just massaging this well into my skin. Whenever you use any face oil, let it be on your face for a while, then it would give you the right effect. Now I've taken a Maybelline Age Rewind concealer to conceal all the darkness, blemishes around my eyes. This is one of the best concealer in drugstores. I'm just using this all over my eyelid and I'm blending it well with my fingers. The warmth of your finger blends any product better than any sponge or brushes or any other tool. So this is what I'm trying to do here. This will make every color whichever I use for eyeshadow to pop up well. After I'm happy with the blending, I will set my eyes with the loose powder. The loose powder today I'm going to use is from Nyx Cosmetics. This is the loose powder I'm going to use. With the help of a brush, I will set my eyelids. This will help every eyeshadow to blend well. And secondly, most important thing, nothing will set in my fine lines, neither the liquid concealer nor the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow I'm going to use is from Juvia's Place. This is one of the most beautiful and pigmented eyeshadows in the world, and I've shared the screenshot where they've shared this. They're the world's most pigmented eyeshadows. The eye look we're going to create for fall is something like this beautiful brown latte eyeshadow look with bronzy glossy shimmer happening in the middle of the eyes. And trust me, this is such a easy look. For this, one more palette I'll use today is this called NYX Edit Ultimate, and I'm going to use the yellow color from NYX. This will be a overall color from my upper part of eyelid, if you could see. And then I've taken the peach color from NYX Cosmetics and I'm using it on the crease to create the crease line. After I'll define my crease line, I'll go whatever the product is left on the innermost corner. Now below the crease line, I'm working with a dark brown shade from Juvia's Place. First, I'm just coloring my outermost 1/3 of the eye, and after that I've taken up a light shade, highlight my innermost corner. After that, again the same brush, the same brown, I'm working on my inner 1/3. I'm just working on outermost 1/3 and innermost 1/3, leaving the middle of the eye or the center of the eye blank. This is a fluffy blending brush from Morphe. I'm just blending everything well in. There's absolutely no product on this. This is a blank brush just to blend everything and make them seamless. Now I've taken this flat brush. On this I've taken a rusty shimmer shade and place right at the center of my eye, and now the eyes will start looking something like this. Now I'm using a Maybelline pencil eyeliner to color my lower waterline so that everything starts cupping up together, and then the eyes will start looking something like this. This is Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. This is a matte eyeliner, and with the help of this eyeliner I would be drawing a small cat eyeliner. Whenever you draw any eyeliner for upper eyelid, start from middle of your eye and take it to the outermost corner, and then connect your innermost corner to the middle. This is the perfect and the easiest way to draw any eyeliner, be it cat, fox, or a normal eyeliner. And then I've taken the same brush, the brown eyeshadow on it, and smoked my lower waterline. This is the best tool you can use to open up your eyes. This is called eyelash wand, and I'm just using eyelash wand to curl my eyelashes so that my eyes become well open. And then I'll generously coat it with a mascara from L'Oreal. This is Lash Paradise. As a rule of thumb, whenever you smoke out your lower waterline, you should always coat your lower waterline eyelashes also with mascara. Otherwise, it will start looking as if you exist with just upper eyelashes and not your lower eyelashes. Now we're going to work with the eyebrows. For this I picked up NYX eyebrow pencil, you know, my favorite one. I'm just filling it near to natural, and then I would move on to the next step. If you want to see a tutorial for just 52 seconds, the perfect way to fill in your eyebrows, link is just above. You can go ahead and enjoy it. No eye look is complete without doing your eyebrows, and now the eyebrows and the eyes would start looking like this. This is the right time to clean up any fallout, but luckily Juvia Palace has no fallout. Now it's the time to move on to the next step. I'm going to use Ardell Eyelashes 811. These are beautiful eyelashes and they look so amazing on anyone. And now it's the time to do a face. For face, first I'm going to use this Wet n Wild primer. This is kind of a liquid primer which instantly gives a radiance to your face. If you'll see, I'll show you in a while. So I'll just rub it down into my skin, and you can see my skin has become well luminous suddenly. Though I have dull skin, and this gives me an instant luminosity and radiance. So I love this primer these days. And then again, I'm using this Wet n Wild foundation. These two products in combination are far better than many of my high-end foundation and primers. I don't know, there's something to these two things. When I use it on my face, I get a glow that's natural and that makes my skin look so healthy. This foundation though is not a full coverage, but still it makes me look like my skin is taken well care of and is doing good. So there's something amazing to these two products. If you're looking for something on budget which works wonder, go and get them. Now the concealer time. The concealer I'm going to use again is affordable from Maybelline Age Rewind. Lighter than my skin tone because I'm using it as a highlighter, and then I'm using it under my eyes, around my smile lines, nose and bridge of my nose, a little bit on my chin as well as on my forehead. I'm using it as a highlighter and I'm going to blend it with a beauty sponge. I'm just trying to do a makeup where my best point of my face are highlighted. This is a full glamorous makeup, so you can go ahead, do color correction if you want, and then use a light concealer so that your face is well lit. So you can see the high points of my face are already well lit without using a powder highlighter. So now let's move on to the next step. This is a bronzer from Physician Formula. If you're looking for an affordable matte bronzer, then go get this one. First I'll do a little bit of contouring over my nose because my nose is not very sharp. If you have a sharp nose, you can absolutely ignore this step. After this, I would be working on my face. If you want to see a detailed contouring of nose, do let me know how to contour face. I would make a video for you, and that's it. You know what I'm trying to do is just completely wipe off any harsh lines over my nose. This is NYX setting powder. Now I'll set my face wherever I've used concealer with a brush. Otherwise, I'm trying to keep my face dewy, so I said only use the setting powder the places where you used the concealer so that nothing cracks. Now after this, we'll move on to the next step. These days I love to bronze my face over contouring, so I'm using the same Physician Formula bronzer on my cheeks and with an angle brush. Now I'm just trying to create this jawline, which suddenly because of this COVID, staying home, eating irregularly, unhealthy, I've lost. Of course, I'll give some bronzing to my face, forehead. I want that sun-kissed look, so that's what I'm trying to do here. If you have a narrow forehead than me, you can completely avoid your forehead. And then this is Wet n Wild blush. I'm just getting that color back to my face, so I'm using it on my cheek. And if you can notice, I've used this foundation, still my face is looking so radiant. So this is what this foundation does to your face. It doesn't make it dull. And now I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter. This is a beautiful rose gold color. I'm just using on the high points of my cheeks, on Cupid's bow, a little bit on my nose, of course my forehead, so that every high point of my face is well lit, illuminated, and the chin. Now the next step. Before you move on to the next step, let's have a makeup check. Hope you like this makeup, and this makeup should stay on place. For this, we use NYX setting spray. I'll just spray on my face. It's a dewy finish. Wait for a couple of seconds before moving on to the last step. And the last step is so easy. We all know the last step is to apply lipstick. I'm using a L'Oreal lipstick. I'll mention the shade name in the description box. The face will start looking something like this.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, kindly subscribe to my channel. It actually keeps me motivated, and let me know what all you like in today's video and what all you would love to see. Until we meet next, take care. Bye bye.